Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about merge sort, how merge sort work in C++ language. So let's start our coding part. Okay, here is a template code I have already generated. So let's declare our array first. Int arr is equals to, I have declared predefined array 6 4 1 2 9 3 13 11. You can take any values. I am taking this value here and 55. I have declared this array and I am calling a merge sort function, right? Here I am passing our array and starting index which is 0 and ending index which is 9, not the length of this array. I have passed ending index which is 9 but array length is 10 because array is started from 0 index. So I am making a function here, void merge sort and int arr array and int start int end. Okay, I am declaring a function and I am taking a condition. If start is greater than equals to end, then what happens? The condition is false, then I want to return because there is no element left when the start is greater than end. And in mid I am declaring a mid values which is start plus end minus start. One second. I can also declare the mid value with is start plus end divided by 2, but that condition is overflow, integer overflow condition, so I'm not using that types of declaration. So I'm again calling merge sort function, okay, and passing my array comma starting index comma mid which is the ending index for this left side, and again I am calling the merge sort function with right side. Okay, and here I am passing array comma starting place is transfer with mid plus 1. Here mid plus 1 is going to be starting index and ending index is remain ending index. Okay, so this loop is going to be happen when until this start is greater than or equals to end. And again I am calling the concur function, concur, which concur after this breakdown happen. So I am passing start value and mid value and ending index. So here I am declaring a concur function, right? And this function is going to be void types because I don't need to return anything because I am passing the array address, base address, URE int arr array and in start comma mid comma in ending index. Okay, okay. Here, when I want to conquer, then I have to declare a types of dynamic array, because each and every recursive functions, it should be a variable's length of array. So I'm declare a dynamic memory allocations of array, right? Int which name is merge, that is equals to new. Here I'm declaring new dynamic allocation int whose length is depend on starting and ending index of recursive array functions. So here I'm declaring a array, and I'm again declaring a index 1 which is denoted for the starting index, and index 2 which is denoted for middle element, plus 1 comma, and again I am creating a temporary variable which was this declare which was this merge array. Okay, so now I am making my condition while array of index 1. What happened? And index 1 is what, less than middle of element, and index okay, index 2 is less than equals to end. Okay, here I am declaring something wrong. Okay, here not array, only index. Okay, and I am making the condition, what if array of what index 1 is less than array of what index 2. When index 1 is less than array of index 2, then what happen? I want to store the data which is less in merge array, so I'm storing the data merge of temp is equals to what, array of smallest value, that is index 1, index 1. Okay, and again I'm I'm just increasing a temporary variable. You can also be increase here directly, not anymore here and here. You can also declare below, but I want to declare here because code is a little bit longer, so this happening here. I'm using else what, if this condition is not true, then merge of second array is going to be in action. Merge of what, temp is equals to array of index 2. Okay, index 2, and again here I have to increase this temporary variables with 1, because that value is stored in this temporary variable, and again I want to be traversed in the next time. Okay, and what happen if this while loop is end, then again some part of array will remain left, so I want to use again while loop, while what, while index 1 is less than mid, less than or equals to, I can use, then what, then again I want to store, okay, again this line, control C and Control V. Okay, this line again I am using, and if this is not working, then again I want to store the second index. Index 2 is less than ending index while, and store this index, this value in merge array, because only one while loop is going to be run here, because in line number 134, if this line is working, then line number 137 is not going to be working, because only one array remain here. And finally, after this process happening, I want to copy my this merge array into my original array. Okay, copy copy merge array to original array. Okay, okay, so I'm going to copy here. I'm using for loop. Int I is equals to what? I is equals to start, comma, I is less than what? Equals to 1, comma, I plus plus. Okay, AR of I is equals to merge of I minus start. Here why I am using this start, because each and every recursive function starting index is going to be changed. So if the difference, I want to start this merge from 0 index, but each and every recursive step it is going to be different. So I use this I. So finally, if this is going to be copied, then I want to delete my merge array which I have created dynamically. So this has to be deleted. And finally, what? Finally, I want to print my original array. Okay. Int I is equals to 0. I is less than equals to 9. I plus plus. Okay. Cout array of I. Okay. So what? Run. Okay. Okay, here is some mistakes in line number 155. Okay, 155 merge sort. Where is the mistake? Okay, here I am using S. Let's again run it. Okay, here is coming, but I want to put indel, because line change should be. Okay, here is output coming 1 2 3 4 6 9 13. Okay, why is 11 coming here? Okay, let's see. 13 11 70. Once again I want to run this code. Okay, 1 2 3 4 13 11. Let's check some error. What is the error coming here? Okay, no error. So why it's coming here? Let's see. 0 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 0 and 10. Okay, this is right. 0 to 10. Okay, what is wrong? Okay, I'm seeing here less than. This is also right or wrong? Okay, this is right. Then why it coming to be error? Let's see. Okay, I think no, where it comes should be error. Okay, here I'm using some mistakes. Less than or equals to, because is it here I'm using equals to, here not equal. Okay, it will come. Okay, so you can see, because once value is not one time loop is not going to be run, so 11 will remain here, but in this condition here you can see 11 is coming up. So this is a merge sort, and the time complexity of merge sort is n log n. Why n log n? So let's discuss. Here you can see each and every step, this is going to be divided in line number 154 and 155 in log n time divide, and the conquer is going to be happen. How conquer is going to be happen? Here while loop is running how much times? In n time each and every times n times, and this conquer is going to be log n. So n into log n is the time complexity of merge sort. And space complexity for each steps is going to be, here I am creating merge of array, so it take n space. Okay, and here I am using index I is equals to start declaring this is the constant space, but only space is taken here. Thank you.